Good evening, guys. Tonight is the 24th of December. It is Christmas Eve and we are making black cake. So I wanted to quickly show you guys how we do it in our house and show you all the ingredients. So let's get to it. So for black cake, the main ingredients is your mixed fruits. So we've got in here raisins, cherries, other kinds of fruits that's been, it used to be up to here, but we used half of that last year. So this has been soaking for 2 years now with red label wine and Ray and Nephew rum. Other than that, we are using 8 eggs, 400 grams of butter, dark brown soft sugar. We've got browning because that's what makes it black cake. We've got some baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla. Oh, we've got our limes for the lime zest for the eggs, and we're gonna get started. And some plain flour.
We wish you a Irie Christmas. Old Year and New Year's are just the same. Christmas on a broke pocket day. We wish you a Irie Christmas. We wish you a Irie Christmas. We wish you a Irie Christmas and a dance all New Year. Great tidings, Natty Jane bring you. Great tidings, Natty Jane bring you. Great tidings, Natty Jane bring you. And a dance all New Year. We skank and rock it to the rhythm. We rock and we rock at the rhythm. We scrub and we rub and we do wise. And a happy dance. We bring you a Irie Christmas. We bring you a Irie Christmas. We bring you a Irie Christmas and a dance all New Year. You love up, you rub up on a Christmas. You rub up, you scrub up on a Christmas. You rub up and you dub up on a Christmas and a dance all New Year. We wish you merry, 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 merry Christmas on a broke pocket day. Not even 1 cent to buy a little toy. We dance and rock it to the ice mouse. We rub it and scrub it to the ice mouse. We rub it and rub it to the Christmas. And a broke pocket this year. Everybody gonna jump and a shout. Everybody gonna jump in and a shout. Everybody gonna jump in and a shout. And Ben Johnson dear, we wish you a Irie Christmas. We wish you a Irie Christmas. We wish you a Irie Christmas and dance all do. Everybody in the dance all singing. Everybody in the dance all rocking. Everybody is skanking and a rocking. And a broke pocket dear. We rub up and a scrub up and a skanking. We skank and a rocking and a moving. We move and a rocking and a dub wise. And a happy New Year. We wish you a Irie Christmas. We wish you a Irie Christmas. We wish you a Irie Christmas and a happy dub wise. We wish you a Irie Christmas. We wish you a Irie Christmas. We wish you a Irie Christmas and a dance all New Year. Great tidings, Natty Jane bring you. Great tidings, Natty Jane bring you. Great tidings, Natty Jane bring you. Pan a broke pocket dear. We wish
so me say wishing you a Merry Christmas. From the Armory Temple, I tell we set an example. So no some me see them coming from the Armory Temple. Till we only city go make an example. Gonna really tell you down the like we go find me city. Can you do rock and come a Caroline? Don't want to go by the name of Caroline. I take her down the line and then she really feels so fine. But when I see me wrong, man, don't make me have no temple. Man, she couldn't hint that temple. Cause she a walk and wine and a wine and a enter Jaja temple. Coulda never enter Jaja temple. Cause she a coming from a Amari temple. What that pussy eye black, eye mala, eye slappy, eye lion, coming from the Amari temple. What that means love, what that means love, what that means love for one another like a sister and brother. Love for one another like a sister and a brother. So you gotta stick together in a way that ain't no something really say love for one another. Gonna some say I say Merry Christmas everyone. I'm gonna take you on the end and lead you to the land so brown and where the good Cali come from. Jaja and surely gonna take you by the end. Didn't hear we want to sing, got to come if you rock it and so yeah. I saw me really see and this a African jungle. Gonna saw me got you move years you go feel. I let me tell you and I rock and to the this ya African jungle. I tell you this a African jungle. You gotta move your feet and so the musical this is really sweet. Musical, this is so sweet, so fine. So you gotta shake your body like a really rock it in time because I'm coming from the Amari Temple. You know, see that